Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll be showing you how you can do screen recording on your PC for free without any paid application or even any hack application. This application is totally free and one of the best smooth applications that will run on your PC. Alright, let's go on my PC and let's see how we can use these applications and how to download and from where to download and what is the applications. Alright everyone, now you can see we are inside of our PC and we need to open Google Chrome after that, or any browser, it doesn't matter. After that you need to go to this website called filehippo.com and you need to search for iSpring FreeCam, or you can just search for FreeCam. Alright, the link of this application is down below, and if you are lazy enough like me, then you can definitely go to the description and download the application from there because the link is in the description. Click on this download latest version and just click no thanks, continue downloading iSpring FreeCam. And after that, in a little while your download will start, and this website is pretty amazing. Okay, now here you can see my internet download manager is saying me to download. So if I click on download, it will take 1 minute, but for you guys, I already downloaded the applications. As you can see, I have already downloaded FreeCam 8.7.0 over here. Now let's go and click on install or double click. Very simple. Okay, let's go and install it. Okay, after installing the application, here you can see the application is in front of our desktop. Now double click on this application FreeCam 8, click on new screen recording, and from here you can do all the settings. As you can see, here is the screen recording start or stop button. Here is the microphone, so I'm just clicking on this thing, so mic is not mute right now. And here is the resolution. As you can see, click on this little capture size and click on full screen, so I record full screen. And after that, click on the setting button. You can see all the things like how you can stop the recording, how you can start the recording. For pause and resume, you need to click on F9. For stop recording, click on ESC, and discard recording F10. Okay, so to record the screen, you need to click on this start recording, and 3, 2, 1. The screen is recording now. It is totally free, you don't need to use the hack version. So now you can do the screen recording on your PC so easy, and it is so fast, so you just don't need to use any kind of applications like Camtasia or paid application like that. You can simply use this thing because it is totally free. As you can see, the recording is going on. Anyway, to stop the recording, as I already told you, just click on ESC, and here you can see preparing the preview. After that, click on save as video, click on desktop or wherever you want to save, and just click save. Exporting, depending on your PC, it will take a little time. Like my PC is super slow, so it will take a little time, but if your PC is made with Core i5 or even Core i3, it is going to be super fast. Okay, the exporting is completed right now. Here you can see on our desktop, don't save it, on our desktop we have the video screen recording. Here you can see we can watch it. I just don't want to watch the video because I already screen recording. Now you can do anything or whatever you want to do, you can simply do it. Anyway, hope you guys really enjoyed. If you guys really enjoyed, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and be sure to comment down if you know some better applications than me, and those applications also need to be free and pretty much working as like this. So if you know them, then definitely comment down in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and pretty much those were all. Alright, goodbye.